congratulate the Indian and Swedish scientists for successful 8 years of India-Sweden innovation and its celebration that we are observing today. And I also compliment the Embassy of India and the Swedish stakeholders who are involved in organizing this event. Ladies and gentlemen, I have an immense pleasure in stating that science and technology cooperation, as was being mentioned by Dr. Renu between the two countries, forms an important component of our bilateral cooperation, not only confined to science, but in general, overall, holistically as well. And this was initiated through the Indo-Swiss Intergovernment Agreement signed way back in 2005. And the agreement, and we say provisions for cooperation through exchange of scientists, exchange of graduate students, exchange of research scholars, exchange of technologists, exchange of specialists, and other workers in the area of science and technology. Joint identification of science and technical problems, formulation, and their implementation of joint research projects, which might lead to application of the results of such research in industry, agriculture, and other fields, as well as the exchange of experiences and know-how resulting from such applications are the other aspects inherent to this mutual understanding and agreement. I have no hesitation to emphasize that the partnership between the two countries got a fillip after the visit by the Honorable Prime Minister of India to Sweden 2018, when Mr. Narendra Modi was there and could accomplish the historic joint declaration of intent on India-Sweden Innovation Partnership. And this joint declaration provided momentum and substance to the overall India-Sweden bilateral relations, as I said, not merely confined in the area of science and technology alone. Following the visit of India's Prime Minister, Mr. Modi, scientific cooperation was reviewed at official level by the Joint Committee at a meeting held on 2nd of May 2019. This identified several important science and technology cooperation, such as smart cities, clean technology, circular economy, etc., etc. And both the Department of Science and Technology, Government of India, and Swedish Ministry of Enterprise Innovation have since been seeking to implement the same. Energy sector, as you all know, friends, is an important area of cooperation identified in the joint declaration on India-Sweden Innovation Partnership during the visit of the Prime Minister of India in April 2018, and which also envisages taking forward concrete cooperation between the two countries. We